Hey folks, Blayman13 here from PCG and welcome back to some more tutorial videos. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add your face to your thumbnail. We're going to do it nice and quick. We're going to show you the two websites which I use, which are free of course, and very easy to use and good for cutting your face out or a silhouette of your body and adding it into your thumbnail. Hope you enjoy this video, I hope you find it useful and enjoy. So obviously the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take some pictures of yourself. You want to probably be striking some poses, giving a thumbs up, pointing your finger, pointing your middle finger, any kind of pose you want. I recommend maybe taking 5 or 6 different poses, different pictures, ones that you could probably reuse again, instead of having to go through the same process every single time you want to add your face into a thumbnail. But of course, I'm going to start with this picture. We're going to use this picture for the thumbnail of this video and we're going to work right the way through until it's complete. And yeah, let's get stuck straight in then. We will show you the first website and then we will show you the second website that we also use to finish the thumbnail. Now that we have our photo picked out that we're going to be using for a thumbnail, the first website we want to head to, which is completely free, is Photoscissors.com. So type this into your browser. Type in Photoscissors and then click on the website. Oh, don't forget, I will link the websites in the description below just for anybody that has forgotten them so far. And then it will bring you to this page. Now, straight away, all you have to go to is upload image, which is on the first page, and then go to the image of where it's saved on your computer. I have mine right here, Ride or Rock and Roll. And then give it a moment to load. Then straight off the bat, it's already cut the picture out, and you can obviously have this little drawing tool here which you can make your image a slightly more detailed depending how well the software has actually grabbed your face, but this one actually looks pretty spot on. I'm gonna say I'm happy with it, and it's not perfect but it looks good to me. So what we want to do is head straight over here on the top right hand side of the screen, select download. Now obviously, because this is a free website, we can only download in low resolution. If you subscribe to the website, you can download in a higher resolution. That is completely up to yourself. The low resolution is fine, works perfect for me, so click on that, download low resolution, and then it will save to the folder which you have designated on your PC. Obviously you'll know where yours is and I know where mine is. That is our first step. Now we have the photo cut out, we have it saved. Now we gotta head over to the next website to create our thumbnail. So on just another quick step that I haven't mentioned yet, you will also need a background, like your main thumbnail which you will be putting your face onto. You can choose whatever you want, any shape or form. This video is for YouTube, for my YouTube channel. I am going to take a stock picture from Google and then I'm going to hyperimpose my face onto that. So I'm going to be using this one. Of course you can use whatever you want. Just wanted to add this little step in. But we will be using this to put our face on. And finally, the next website we need to be using for our new thumbnail is Canva. You type Canva into Google, C-A-N-V-A, and click on the website. It will bring you to this front page. Now this is completely free also to use and very handy. So what we will do straight away is go to custom size. I have preset 1920 by 1080 is the desired size which I will use. I find it is perfect and always it looks the best. So what we want to do now is create our template. Then over on the left hand side you have these little icons here, templates, elements, uploads, text and more. We will go to uploads. So upload your media, which will be your background so to speak, which will be first. Go to where it is saved on your computer. Just give it time to load and then we'll click on that and of course it pops up, which is great. Now next thing we want to do is we want to add our face to the thumbnail. Back again to upload media. And then you need to go to where the file was where you had your face chopped out in the previous website. And there you have it. And then obviously resize this to whatever way you want it. And you put it anywhere on the background, whatever suits your needs. So I'm going to probably set it up here, make it a little larger. And of course now we can add text and we can add other elements to make it look a bit more attractive. So I'm going to set that right there. No, maybe I'll move it right to the bottom, make it look more natural. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that, actually. I think that looks quite well. We're going to stick with that. Now, this is basically, I've just explained the base of the whole video, was to add your face to your thumbnail, which we have done. It's pretty straightforward. We'll use the two websites that I've just shown you. I will link both in the description below in this video. And then we're just going to spruce this up a wee bit, make it a little bit more attractive. And then we'll show you the finished product. And then hopefully you're happy and hopefully you can get going on making your own awesome thumbnails. So this website actually has some more cool features. So we will add some text. You can also add other wee animations and little elements, like little faces and stuff. We will add some text to sort of brighten it up a wee bit. You can pick your sort of, now not all of them are free. Some of them you do have to subscribe to the website, which is you would expect. But some of the free ones are quite good, like this one I kind of like. So we will use this. What we will say something like face on thumbnails. And we can drag that down, make it a little smaller, make it wider so it's readable. Now, does that color blend too much with the background? Maybe we should pick another one. No, I think that looks pretty good. So it's pretty self-explanatory. On the thumbnail, you're going to be reading it saying face on thumbnails, which is pretty much what we're looking for. You can choose other ones. Don't forget, you don't have to do exactly the way I did it. Maybe a different color would be more desirable. But we'll stick with it. I think it looks fine. You can read it. It's not impossible to read. And we can still add other little things like more text. Maybe put this one here. And write, say, easy and free. Let's resize that down. Maybe put it here along the left hand side. Make it a little bigger. Drop it down. Now it's starting to look pretty well. You've got the big YouTube in the middle. You've got my big ugly face on the right hand side. You've got the text on the top. A little bit of text on the side. And of course you can also add some little elements. Of course, they're not all free, so you kind of have to just look through ones. If you see something that looks useful, you can use it. If you don't, just move on. But yeah, you can search through all these. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. That wasn't intentional. And see if there's anything you like. Maybe there's nothing there that's kind of useful. Maybe it's just pointless. You don't want to make your thumbnail look too tacky, or just make it look kind of crap, you know. But we'll see what's here. Maybe this wee can of Coke might fit in somehow. We'll just sort of put that there, right beside me. And you see what I mean. You can add in anything you want. There's another bottle. Maybe I'll use the bottle actually. Maybe I'll delete that. Put the bottle in. Maybe set it up here on the side. Like, it doesn't really mean anything, but it just adds to the thumbnail, you know. But anyway, this is pretty much it, folks. Short, quick, easy. Not to mention, and hopefully that you'll find this useful. I'm pretty happy with the thumbnail. It looks good, it has my face on it, it tells you what the video is about, and yeah, it's pretty effective. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. I will link in the description. I will put the links to both the websites that I've used, and yeah, hopefully you'll find it useful, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.